Welcome everyone. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to do flat spicy chicken. It's a truly amazing recipe. Let's go to the ingredients and we start to cook. The ingredients for this amazing recipe, I got here a coquelette au poisson. You saw in my previous videos, I do like to use this because it's much easier, and especially for this recipe, this is what you need. It's a baby chicken basically, not more than 500 grams. I got here garlic powder, cracked black pepper, cayenne pepper, salt, and chili paste. This is just pepper chili paste, extremely hot. And here I got 2 more tablespoons of garlic butter and some fresh thyme. Olive oil, of course. Let's start to the prep and we start to cook. What I start doing with this chicken, I take off the wings, because otherwise it's just gonna burn and it's totally unnecessary. I take it like this with the back up. I put the knife in the middle and I just go down. If you got a scissor which is strong enough to cut the chicken, then do it with the chicken. Do it with the scissor, sorry. We just cut a little bit like this in it to cook even. I'm gonna take off the backbones, not completely, just the unnecessary ones. On this side again, just gonna go like this down. I'll try to do it with this as well. We open a little bit more here so it's cooking nicely. And now all we need to do is to put the spices on. Now for this, for putting the spices on, I got here a bowl which I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna put it on the side, and I got here the spices. First let's put this away from here. I got here the spices, I got here the butter, I'm gonna mix all this butter in with the spices, and I'm gonna put the olive oil in. Basically what we do, we're gonna create a paste, a rub, a wet rub, and we're gonna put it on the chicken. If you like it spicy, this is your recipe, definitely. If you like spicy food. Now if you don't like spicy food, you can replace the spicy pepper paste with tomato puree. And like that, it's not gonna be spicy. We got the mix, so I'm gonna start to put on top. We flip the chicken on the other side. And to make sure the spice is absolutely everywhere. We put it all in. And now we're gonna give a good massage to the chicken to make sure all the spices are in. They went in nicely. Okay. You can leave it like this for 2 hours just to soak in all the spices and the flavors, and after we're gonna pan fry it. I got here an old pan which I put some oil in. Make sure it's not too hot, the oil. You need to leave the pan to be medium heat, and we go with the chicken in. Otherwise it's not gonna cook. And the thyme as well. The thyme is just for flavor. You can hear the time how it's cooking. It's gonna flavorize the oil and it's gonna taste very nice. Okay, you leave it like this for 7-10 minutes and after we flip it on the other side. For 10 minutes on low heat, it's time to flip it on the other side. This looks amazing. I leave it 10 more minutes on this side and after it go in the oven for another 10 minutes. Now at this point the chicken is ready on both sides. What I'm gonna do, I will put it on skewer. To make sure it doesn't break. And this is how it looks. I'm gonna move the tray on the side and we're gonna put it in a tray. Just like this. So this is gonna drain and now it's going in the oven for another 10-12 minutes. Now the chicken is ready. This is how it looks. I will cut a slice just to show you how it looks inside. You can see it's nice and soft, definitely cooked. Spicy and very crispy the skin. You can hear that sound. That's the sound I like. Thank you everyone who watched this video. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you got any curiosities or you got any questions about this video or any other video from my channel, please let me know in the comment section. I'll show you one more time the chicken. This is how it looks the back and this is how it looks the front. I just cut a little piece from the leg to try it. It's excellent. This is definitely the central piece on a summer barbecue on top of the grill outside. It's definitely a recipe for the grill. This being said, I will see you on next week with a new comfort food dish.